सप्टेंबर महिना चालू आहे आणि या महिन्यात खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात फुलपाखरे येतात.
Summer day when we're laying still, but you make my heart race. Gonna keep me young when we're old and gray. I know that time moves on, some things don't change. I won't stop getting butterflies. I get them every time I look into your eyes. You won't stop running through my mind for the rest of both our lives. You give me butterflies and I keep.
खूप सुंदर फुलपाखरं आहेत आणि कलर पण एकदम ब्राईट आहे.
I still fall in